Hey YouTube, welcome back. So today my son was trying to drive his car and unfortunately it won't start. So let me show you guys a symptom real quick. He could lock and unlock the car without any problem. So let's see. This is locked, but it's kind of sound weak. So I think it might be the 12 volt auxiliary battery. Hopefully it's not the hybrid. So anyway, let's go and then open this up. This one is the 2012 Prius plug-in. Alright, I'm going to step on the brake and try to start the car. And let's look at the dash. I'm going to push start.
Show my starts recording.
So yeah, this car, the engine doesn't kick in, the IC engine. I try to press the gas. It's supposed to kick in already. So I'm going to try to jump it. I'm going to turn it off right now. And I cannot really turn it off. And I'm going to let go of the brake.
Show my stops recording.
So I press 2 times, now it's off. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and pop out the hood. I'm gonna go to the hood, open it up, and then try to jump it and see. The latch right here. There's 2 positions, one over here and one over there. I'm going to put all the way up there so I won't hit my head. So in order to jump the car, either you need to open up your trunk or the hood. This is a much easier way to jump your car. So there's a fuse box over here on the driver's side. You need to press this clip in and then pop it out. And you're going to locate this red positive sign right there. There is a clip right here. You need to push toward the left and then pull it out, the plastic piece. Okay, now you see the red plastic right there. So at first he thought it was his remote. The battery went dead, but when I pressed the remote button, the red light came on, so that means the battery wasn't dead. But I changed it anyway, but still not starting the car. So now I'm going to jump it. I'm going to jump it with this Fox P that I got last time. So yeah, it's kind of hard to work with the one hand and one hand try to hold the camera. So yeah, I'm going to open this up because I need 2 hands to hook the unit up. So you want to go ahead and use a positive first, and then you want to do the ground to any of your chassis somewhere as a metal. So yeah, this one seems good right here, the contact. It's a ground right there. I'm gonna put it right there. Oh my god, it shows 9.4 volt only. So yeah, the battery is too low. So we're going to attempt to charge this 12-volt auxiliary battery, or shoot, I'm going to jump it right now and see. It should start right away. So after I hook up this unit, you have only like a 30-second to jump it or to start the car. So I'm going to put all this away from the engine in case it falls inside there and then mess it up. So the plug is on the side right here. I need to remove this. Ooh, I only have a 76%. So this one is the dummy proof, okay? Only fit in one direction. Let me hook it up. And push it in and press it. I only have 30 seconds to do it. But hurry up. Press the brake, start the engine.
Show my starts recording.
Oh, now I started. Well, once the car started, you don't want to keep on pressing the gas pedal, because there's too much current. It might bounce them back and forth and then mess up your master fuse. Well, here is the problem. When I look at the dome light, after I start the car, it was into switch to the right position. And as you can see, the back, it is on too. That's why it kills the auxiliary 12-volt battery, okay? So gotta make sure you put it into this when the door is open in the midsection right here, or off. And this is the button to turn on manually. Alright? So don't leave your dome lights on, that will kill your 12-volt battery, alright? And I forgot to show you, in case your battery is totally dead, you're going to press this button and then pull out your physical key and then insert the key in there. Let me get the key out. Insert the key, manual turn it to clockwise. Wait. And then left or counterclockwise to lock it up. Alright? And in case you need to change your 12-volt battery on the back of your trunk, on the rear right hand side, you will need to remove the carpet and lift up this pull tab. There you go. And then there's your 12-volt auxiliary battery right here, okay? It's a 20 HR 45 amp Henry. Core crank amp is 325. And you need like a 10 millimeter socket wrench to open it up. Right there. So the 12 volt is all the way in there. I'm not sure why they do that. It's down there, so yeah. Don't want to short circuit something. Right there. Where's my finger pointing at? So yeah, anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up, like the video, and be sure to hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, or drop any other comments down below. And thank you for watching. I'll be seeing you guys on the next video. Like always, peace.